Imagine a world where seeing is no longer believing. That's the reality we are facing with the rise of deepfake technology. A shocking case in point is the recent scam involving popular YouTuber, MrBeast and BBC presenters Matthew Amroliwala and Sally Bundock. These well-known figures were the unsuspecting victims of a deepfake scam, where their likeness was used to deceive online users. Videos circulated on social media platforms including TikTok and Facebook falsely claimed that MrBeast was offering new iPhones for a meager $2. Meanwhile, the BBC presenters were depicted promoting an investment opportunity with none other than Elon Musk. The creators of these videos use deepfake technology, a powerful tool that can generate realistic fake videos of real people. This incident has raised alarm bells about the potential misuse of this technology. While these videos were eventually identified as fakes and removed, they highlight a significant challenge in our digital age. Spotting these videos is not always easy. They contained various errors and inconsistencies, but to the untrained eye, these could easily go unnoticed. Both TikTok and Facebook have emphasized their commitment to combat this kind of content. Yet the incident underscores the pressing need for more robust systems to prevent the spread of such deceptive content. This scam is not just a violation of trust, it brings to light several legal and ethical questions. It raises questions about copyright infringement and the unauthorized use of personal images and voices. But the issue is complex. There are concerns about criminalizing all deepfakes, as this could have implications for the film industry and artistic expression. In a world where technology is evolving at lightning speed, the boundary between reality and illusion is blurring. The deepfake scam involving MrBeast and BBC stars is a stark reminder of the need for vigilance. As we navigate this digital landscape, we must remember that not everything we see online is as it appears. The deepfake scam serves as a warning of the potential dangers that lie ahead, and the importance of critical thinking in our increasingly digital world. In conclusion, the deepfake scam involving MrBeast and BBC stars highlights the urgent need for improved detection systems, stricter regulations, and increased public awareness about the reality of deepfakes. In the meantime, remember, if something seems too good to be true, it probably is. Stay vigilant, stay informed, and stay safe in this rapidly evolving digital world.